Okay, so what we have here is a side-by-side image of an improper desk setup followed by a correct desk setup. So we're going to go over the incorrect desk setup really quickly, and just kind of talk about what's going on here. So her chair is way too high, not allowing for her feet to be nice and flat on the floor. Okay, she's not utilizing her armrests, so she can't rest her elbows on them to kind of provide a little bit extra support. She's not sitting all the way back in her chair. Her monitor is way too low, so she has to stoop forward to be able to look at it. Her desk is all cluttered, and then her keyboard is propped up, allowing for a little bit of wrist extension. And if you're typing for a long time throughout the day, that can cause some wrist pain. Now, moving on to the correct desk setup, her chair has been raised, so her legs are now at a 90-degree angle. Her feet are nice and flat on the ground. The armrests are up, allowing for her to rest her elbows. Her elbows are at a 90-degree angle as well, so her shoulders are staying nice and low, not kind of slouched up to her ears. Her wrists are then in a neutral position because we've flattened the keyboard, okay? And then we've raised the monitor up just with a thick textbook to allow for that extended position in her neck, and she can just look straight forward. Now, because of this setup, she was able to kind of sit all the way back in her chair. We added a towel just into her lower back to add a little bit of support into that low back area. And then if you look, she can stretch her arm out now and touch the front of the monitor here. That's your ideal distance away from your monitor, is reaching your hand out and tapping your fingertips on the screen here. Okay, we've also decluttered her desk, allowing for a nice, clean, easy workspace. Give this setup a try and let us know what you think.